Jandik duond buche John Cox Lorionoku yango ni onge duond buche manyien mabiro ndiko tok dwe mar apar higani kaluwore gi chike mapacho ka. John Cox wacho ni mano dhi miyo duond buche manyien thuolo moromo mar chuogo migepe magi mag telo, apise magi, yiero jotendgi, timo welo kaachiel gi timo ikruok ne yiero maduong'. Kaluwore gi apisi ma jandik duond buche piny Kenya ni kod duond buche 92 kendo ma duond buche manyien maromo 30 bende pod rito mondo opuodhgi seche ma duond buche 11 to osechwalo kwayo mondo mi ondikgi.
There's no party that will be registered fully after October 2026. Those that would have been registered by October 2026 are the only ones that will participate in 2027 general election. Otherwise, the rest will have to wait for 2032. Well, because of timelines, we cannot. There is a period within which a party needs to prepare for election. So you cannot have parties registering when it's already we have less than a year, to the general election, and there are processes that they need to do for them to prepare for election. So you cannot have the registration process running and again preparation for election running. It becomes a very difficult process. So we have to also give the parties time to reorganize themselves as they prepare for the general election.